to see the vibrations produced by the tuning forks. So we have an activity number 11.11 from the sound chapter. Now we are going to use a tuning fork and is set to vibrating. Let us check what will happen. I have a tuning fork and I have arranged a ball. I connected through a thread with a thread. Now when I am going to use this tuning fork, we can see minute vibrations of the prongs of the tuning fork. But when we touch we can notice that there is a vibrations are noticed with the help of the finger. Now what I am going to do is, if I am going to hit this tuning fork and place it near to it, the ball will dance on the top of while touching the prong, one of the prong of tuning fork. Again I am doing it. Even we cannot see the vibrations of the tuning fork, but the ball is moving from its mean position.